Redmond would say, just a little bit of spin class. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve, and I really appreciate you being here. It's a winter wonderland out here. I know I just did a cold start video where it was like 18 degrees, and I was like, oh man, that's cold. It is -8 right now. So, yeah. Oh, that was cool. So I'm gonna give you guys a real cold start here. Look at all that snow. Snow and muck. There you go. So that was fun. Not a good time to have a metal shift knob. My hand just got stuck to it. Anyway, I'm just gonna warm this up for about 20 minutes probably, and then I'm gonna head to the store. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. So, terrible time to have a metal shift knob. It's like licking a telephone pole. Looks a little goofy, but it'll keep me warm. So, I'm just in here until the car warms up just a little bit more. So I'm gonna give it some gas. And then I'm gonna put on my head strap so I can be hands-free. Also probably should move some of that snow drift. No, it'll come off. All right. Time to move the camera. So good. A little bit slippery, but that's okay. Never a bad time for a couple donuts.
Round 2, fight.
Just always feel inclined to do more donuts in weather like this. Maybe just a couple. Right? out, Cub Scouts.